A probe is launched after an off-duty officer fatally shoots man in St. Catherine. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 7 TV News Report. The Independent Commission of Investigation INDECOM responded to and began investigation into the fatal shooting of an unidentified man in the vicinity of Bogwalk Gorge in Steigerville Main Road in St. Catherine on Saturday, August 28th by an off-duty police officer. The police have reported that an off-duty police officer became engaged in the pursuit of a Toyota Probox motor car with 3 male occupants who had illegally stolen cable wires. During the chase, the Toyota Probox collided with a vehicle traveling in the opposite direction. INDECOM investigators were further informed that 2 of the occupants ran from the motor car from the incident scene, and at least 1 of the occupants reportedly fired at the police. It is alleged that the 3rd man approached and attacked the police officer with a knife, causing an injury to the officer. The officer reportedly fired at the man with the knife. This unidentified man was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. 2 other persons from the other vehicle involved in the collision were treated for injuries at hospital. The incident scene was processed by INDECOM, and the weapon of the officer as well as the knife recovered from the scene were boxed and sealed for testing. The hands of the deceased were also swabbed for gunshot residue. No firearm was reportedly recovered from the scene. An initial account of the incident was provided to INDECOM investigators by the off-duty police officer. The officer was issued with Section 21 notice to finish a statement and attend INDECOM to be interviewed in relation to this incident. All initial accounts received by the Commission are recognized as preliminary information and will undergo the requisite investigative and forensic examination. INDECOM said that the assistance of the public is also important, and persons are therefore reminded to contact the Commission and share any information that will be useful in the ongoing investigation. This has been Link 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.